When it comes to money and marriage, good financial management as a couple is crucial. Make financial decisions as a team, working together toward common goals. Set financial goals together and have open conversations to align your expectations. Use tools like finance apps to track spending and stay organized. Consider seeking the support of a financial advisor to receive professional guidance and make informed decisions. Create a monthly budget that fits your shared income and needs. Celebrate each financial achievement achieved as a couple, creating a sense of togetherness and teamwork. Remember that financial management as a couple is not just about money, but about building a solid future together.